What's up, everybody? My name is Caleb, and I am new to collecting cards, trading cards. But I'm gonna be honest, I bought quite a few packs that we're going to be ripping open, and let's get into it. I have no idea what I'm doing. If I find any cards of value, or you see any cards of value, please let me know. And if you want to buy them, let me know. You can have them. I don't need them. All right, let's get into it. I don't know if it's going to be weird if I turn my camera or not, but hey, first time streaming. Let's do it. No. Oh, before you started. Let's get into it. All right. We're not going to open all of them right away. Show a little discipline. Not my strong suit, but let's start with 5 packs. And it again. Make you sick while you're watching this. Topps 2018. Topps 2018. NFL Legacy Pack. 2021. 2020 Goodwin Champions. No idea what it is. Just wanted to rip some packs. Whole reason I got into this. Just want to rip some packs open. Don't care what's inside. Just like ripping them. Topps 2020. Maybe we'll rip a few more because, you know, we need self-discipline. All right. Put the rest of these away for now. Let's get started. Oh, boy howdy. As you can tell, I am no professional. You'll see them before I do. Shum num num num. Oh, shum num num. I'm not even looking. No idea. Oh, we got a backwards guy. Guy facing me, huh? Oh, I looked. This might be easier if I just looked at him first, huh? All right. Let's be smarter. We'll work through these. Get them all straightened out. You know, third time's a charm, so the next stream will also be bad. But after that, it'll probably still be bad. But maybe not. Who knows? All right, Daniel Descalzo. He must suck. No idea who he is. Ba-boom. Asdrubal Cabrera. You see that? All right. Plays for the Nats. That's my team. Played for the Nats. He doesn't play for the Nats anymore. Pedro Strop. Let's go. No idea who that is. Jorge Alcala. That's his rookie card. Never heard of him though, so he must not be very good. Miggy. What year was that? 2018? That was 2020. Active leaders. Nice. Yasmani Grandal. Let's go. Nick Dini. Rookie card. No idea who that is, but rookie card. Greg Holland. Mariano Rivera. That's my dude. He's a beast. Trent Grisham. Giovanni Gallegos. Sounds like the Galapagos Islands. Mr. Galapagos himself, huh? He's playing against the Pirates in that. I kind of like that. Jesus Luzardo, rookie card. Oh, he's pretty good. Rookie debut. Let's go. Kyle Lewis, rookie card, rookie debut. Monster. Let's go. And Johnny Davis. No idea who that is either. But try to pick up the pace for you guys here. There's some good rookie cards in there, though. Kyle Lewis, Jesus Luzardo, Trent Grisham. Decent rookies. Pretty sure Kyle Lewis was rookie of the year. Maybe not. All right. This one's for me. No idea what this is, but very excited. Upper Deck 2020 Goodwin Champions. I'm told I could even get a Seahorse card. Probably wouldn't be my favorite thing I've ever opened, but it's definitely something. I can't even open this thing. Probably should have brought scissors. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Never buy things you don't know what they are. It's bad for business. Unless you want to. And I wanted to. So, here we go. Jesus, this thing is tight. Like your mom. I know. All right, what do we got? Joe Burrow, sick rookie card. Oh, I'll take that. Yes, sir. I'm a Steelers fan, obviously, but Mr. Joey B. I'll take that. Throw that in the sleeve immediately. It doesn't say anything about rookie, but I have no idea. But pretty sick nonetheless. Oh, no way. Guys, these packs are sick. Wander Franco? Baseball? Top recruit coming up? Let's go. Rookie of the... He's in it for Rookie of the Year and voting for Rookie of the Year right now. He hasn't even played in the MLB. But these cards are winners. These are good. What is this? Wander Franco little baby mini card? Look at that. That's smaller than my finger. Let's go. I don't know what that is, but it's cool. Throw him in the backside of the other Wander Franco card. Be very careful not to mess them up, just in case they're worth anything. No idea if they are, but whatever. What's this? This thing's thick. Why is it so thick? Oh, dude, it's just an insert. That's stupid. A freaking piece of thick white cardboard is part of my deck. Jamie Mungala. I don't know anything about boxing, and I don't know anything about soccer, but I got this guy. Let's see. Why is my thing all messed up? Timothy Weah. Timothy Weah. Weah. Timothy. And this guy. No idea what I got there, but I know Wander Franco and old Joey B are good. All right. Throw them all in sleeves because I don't know who they are. They might be great. They might be monsters in their own respective sports. I probably could have read the back, but we got packs to open. Bud. My Joey B card. Whew. Whew. Beautiful. All right, we're on to the Legacy. 2021 Legacy Pack. NFL. Let's get to it. 8 cards per pack. No idea what I'm supposed to expect here. But, oh, I see the back card, the last card there. What's this? It looks cool. Is that Dion? Oh, buddy. All right, Myles Garrett. Ryan Tannehill. Hey, Ronald Jones, Rojo, baby. Travis Kelce, the man. Is that a freaking white insert again? Jesus, man. Must mean I got a good card. What is this? What is that? Nick Chubb and Bradley Chubb. The Chubby Boys. What is this? Joseph Osai. Osai! And Mr. Travis Etienne. I saw that one from the back. What is this? Is this one supposed to be good? I don't know what is considered good cards versus normal cards in football. I mean, I know they're good players. I know Travis Kelce's obviously a beast. I know Myles Garrett's a beast. I know Deion Sanders was a monster. I know Travis Etienne was a pretty good draft pick. But he's playing for the Jaguars. And what can the Jaguars really do, right? I don't know. It's okay. Let's throw these in some sleeves. Oh, I don't know anything about him, but Deion's getting a sleeve and a top loader because he's Deion. Probably going to go ahead and give one of those to Myles Garrett and Travis Kelce as well. Pretty much everybody but Tannehill probably in that dual card. I'm guessing the dual cards aren't very good. It's probably better to just have one player on a card in most cases, unless it's like Jerry Rice and Deion Sanders. Get Myles Garrett in there. Tannehill. What a trash can. He's fine. Old Travie Kelce. Let's go. I was hoping for a Steelers player just to send it out and hope that maybe they would sign a card for my son while we're in OTAs. Being filmed during preseason, obviously. Preseason. Rookies only reporting. What is this? A Generations card. I don't know. Whatever. Joseph Asai and Travis Etienne. Welcome to my basement. I know it looks like I'm filming this in a luxury hotel, but I am in fact in my basement.